Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to relearn your tire pressure sensors after a tire rotation or any kind of tire repair on your GMC Acadia, Chevrolet Traverse, Buick Enclave, or Saturn Outlook. First thing you're going to need is a tire pressure monitor tool. You can get these off of Amazon for about 15 to 20 bucks. After you have the tool, you have to go through a certain procedure to get the vehicle in learn mode. Once you get the vehicle in learn mode, the first thing you want to do, the first tire you're going to want to relearn is your left front. After you relearn the left front, you're going to do your right front. After your right front, you're going to do right rear and then left rear. When you do these, your left front tire should blow the horn once, letting you know that it's done. Then the right front should blow the horn. Then the right rear, then the left rear. Once you're done with the left rear, it should blow the horn twice. First, let's go ahead and turn the vehicle on, all the way to the on position. Once the vehicle's all the way on, go ahead and press the emergency brake, and then hold the lock and unlock button until you hear the horn chirp twice. It'll come up on the dash letting you know your tire learn is active. This is your left front tire. What you want to do is go to where the stem meets the tire, push the button, and put the tool next to the wheel. Once the horn blows, that tire's learned. Let's go to the next tire. Your right front, same thing. Push on, stick it to the tire. Let's go to the right rear. Same thing for the right rear. Push the button. Go to the tire. Let's go to the next tire. Alright, this is our last tire. After we learn this one, you should hear the horn chirp, and then it'll chirp twice, letting you know it's complete. Push the button, stick it next to the tire. That's it, letting you know that it's complete. If for some reason one of the tires does not learn, you could have a bad tire pressure sensor. These tire pressure sensors are located inside the tire, and they come in all different sizes and shapes depending on the vehicle. They have an enclosed battery that can't be replaced, so you have to go to a tire shop and get them to break the tire down and put one of these in. But before you go to a tire shop and get one installed, what I would recommend doing is go ahead and purchasing one off of Amazon or eBay, because they're a whole lot less expensive. Then go to your tire shop, and for about $10, they'll go ahead and install the sensor and balance your tire. And then you can take your tool and you can go ahead and relearn all your tire pressure sensors yourself. And this will save you some money. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Alright, where is it? I think it's right there. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. It helps me a lot, and it doesn't hurt you at all. Thanks again for watching.